Right, connection times. My two cables coming out of the solar panel. As we routed it last time, went round to the rear pillar. See, the cable is there, one is there, the other one is both of them. So they're coming from the roof, and it's my electrical box. Removed one of the batteries, the other battery is here. MPPT controller goes there. It's an open cupboard. It's protected. Connections underneath to the panel, battery and load, and on top, I don't know, can it be seen well or not? It's where the temperature controller was. Right, let me just get it from there. It's this bit here. Thermostat or thermometer. That will need to go outside, and this part plugs into the controller. It's basically to measure the exterior temperature, so you can adjust the charging parameters for it. And it's pretty much that. And I got some of the boxes. I'm going to fit these boxes behind the controller, one there and one above, with 20 amp switches, double pole switches, so they're gonna switch plus and minus cable at the same time. Reason for two is because I want it switched from the panel to the controller, and then from controller switched to the battery, because you need to isolate the load first before isolating the panel. So in that way I'm going to have a switch 1, switch 2, and also I'll put another switch for trickle charging vehicle battery. So if you spare me for a moment, I'm going to route these cables through, secure the boxes, and then we'll get on. Right, it's all connected. This is the control panel or MPPT charger. Got connected plus and minus to the solar panel, plus and minus to the battery. Nothing on the load. Got isolator for battery and isolator for solar panel. They are 20 amp isolators, just like this one. So it's a double pole, isolates negative and positive supply. It's all connected on the back. It's all trailed out. The positive supply to the battery goes here into this one there. Inverter can slide out, as you can see, it's like a little drawer. All the cables are there. The fifth cable is this black one here. Apparently it's a very important bit. That is a temperature sensor. So temperature sensor is there. It's running down underneath into the pillar and down underneath the van, that point there. And it's been running for a couple of days now. And this section here, that's showing the power on the battery, and it's showing 12 degrees. So 12 degrees, sorry, not 12 degrees, 12 volts, and it's been going on for a while now. And you can see the panel there. It's getting dark now, that's why I got lights on, so it's not drawing much from the sun. And that's the charger thing. Right, let me try to explain roughly what I did with our solar installation. Basically, solar panel up on the roof. It's got two cables coming out, positive and negative. They've been gone onto double pole switch into MPPT controller. So we had negative in, positive in, that's inside. Then we got outside. Out of that we had again negative, positive, and that is gone into another double pole switch. So this is double pole switch, and this is another double pole switch. So if you say we got negative there, positive, and that is gone onto our batteries. So that will be positive, negative, and we got two batteries. That's basically in short lines. Just adjust the camera to show this other one. There you go. That's about in short lines how it's connected. So solar panel, sun goes onto it, panel is on the roof, positive and negative wire or cable go into double pole switch. From that goes to MPPT controller. Out of that as two cables going to another double pole switch onto the batteries. Now batteries are connected negative to the chassis of the van. Try to bring the paper a bit higher. And then positive, it's been taken to the little fuse box that then runs the different services on 12 volts within the van. Now I want to do one more thing, because I didn't do it yet, but I got provisions for it, because obviously this solar panel acts as trickle charger for the batteries. I want to add another double pole switch to charge a vehicle battery during hours or days or weeks when van is parked and not in use, just to act as an independent trickle charger for van's battery. So if we go to battery, another battery, that is, as you call, like an engine starting battery. Engine starting battery. So in this bay on the back of the van, I will put another double pole switch and connect plus and minus, and then connect them to vehicle battery, where I will have to, not on a negative but on a positive side, I will have to put an inline fuse on the vehicle battery side and one inline fuse on these leisure batteries, because the line between leisure batteries, which is in the back of the van, and engine battery, which is in the front of the van,
it's going to be quite long, and I want to isolate that with fuses just in case if ever at any point of this long cable got any breakage and contact with a chassis, I don't shorten the line up. The fuse will isolate on both ends that line. And obviously a double pole switch, so when I'm in frequent use of the van, I'll just switch that off, and the switch is going to be on when the van is parked for a long time. Thank you for watching. If you got any questions or comments, please add below. All the best. Thank you.